All right, back for another weekly recap for GJ. Let's see what we got. All right, so let's zoom in to this weekly. Put our vertical line, cut our hour, separate our week. All right, now let's look at the week prior, see if we can see any kind of market structure or anything like that. So put out some lines. So coming into this week, so let's see, low, 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 low. So this is our last low, over right there. Oh, let's see, we got in our lower high was like right here. Let's just make that. It's more even. So we know we had a previous lower low right here at 80. And then we had, let's see, lower high right here. And 600. Okay. Okay, yeah. So, all right. So we know that we broke this low, which means we're now looking for buys on. Looking for buys until we break, I guess, back down. So I know that we're looking for buys going into this week. Buys only. So we go. This is Monday. Trading strategy is really simple. Impulse up, you test supply demand, take the trade, bam. Okay. So let's see, 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So this is 6 o'clock right here. So we did get an impulse up. Now let's see if we have anything on M30. Not really. This is an impulse up and did leave this area of demand. So we need to wait for price to get here to take a buy, but it didn't come here until like, what is that? 4 o'clock? Yeah, 4 o'clock. So this is a really late entry. Past my trading time. Alright, so no trade Monday. Okay, let's see what we got next day. Price is kind of like consolidating here. Well, let's just leave that right there. The price is kind of consolidating up, so price broke up, broke this level, but I don't really, it's still like kind of consolidating. This is still, let's hit this area, 6 o'clock. Right here. So it hit this area and came back down. Now we know that we are looking for buys and buys only, so the only place I would look to buy would be this purple area. And price did not come here. So no trade Tuesday. This was also news week. This is the first of the month. NFP week. Alright, so Wednesday. Let's see what we got. 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock we see that we broke that level of resistance. See if we can find anything cleaner off the purple line. So we broke here and see if we can find a better looking demand area. So yep, price broke up, left the demand here. So it is something like that. And we're also at 0.5, which is a psychological level. So I'll take entries down here. wrote that up. See what I would have wrote it up to. Let's see. So we did have previous resistance right here somewhere in that point. 50. Get another psychological level. I use these for entries and exits. So it went up and tapped. So we had a 1 to 7, which is ridiculous. Okay. So price came back the very next day. And so we got this impulse here. And so impulse up, get all that, shut up. So this is our pretty big demand area. So probably take that to like right there. So next day, price came all the way back here. 5, 6, 7. Let's see what we got for a 7 o'clock candle. We put on the M5 or 7 o'clock candle. So I love these candles. Price like wicks up past all this shit and then pulls back. It's like a sign. Definitely would have took that. Stops below our bigger demand. And we would have rolled that up, which is another insane. Okay, so that was Thursday's trade. So we only got 2 trades for the week. One was 1.7.81, and one was 4.88. All right, let's see. Friday was NFP week. Let's see, what we got. Still looking for buyers. So price kind of closed above, broke above this smoke compression area. Or you can say price impulse past all this junk. So let's see if we left any kind of demand. We left demand here after breaking. This level. Yeah, I like this demand, but this is huge. Let's see if we can find a better. I probably use like discount, that other one is just too fucking big. Alright, so price came down, went up, and then came back right here. And say we took the entry at 0.8, 19 pips up. Would have probably took it up to 0.5 again. And let's see, would have went, let's see, risk free 20 pips. Would have went risk free like immediately. So that's would have still been holding. I would have went into the weekend holding, or I probably would have closed this. But as you can see, it was a good trade. Excuse me. So yeah, 3 trades for last week. Going with the trend. Let's see if we can get another higher high. We'll have to see next week, I guess. Because either this is going to break to make a lower low, come up and go down, or it's going to make another high, retest, and yeah. Let's see. There we go. The price is gonna make a high, come back, higher low, and either retest this or keep going and keep going. Or we're gonna break this higher low right here, make a lower low, come back and go down. So that's what I'll be looking for next week. I'll probably do like a weekly outlook screenshot or some shit. But yeah, that's all I got.